town about twice a year. Buy 100 pound of yeast and some copper lime. Everybody knew that it made moonshine. Now the revenue man was granddaddy bad, headed up to Hollywood with everything before my time. But I've been told you better stay away from Copperhead Road. Granddaddy ran whiskey in a big black dog. Bought it at an auction at the Mason Law. Johnson County Sheriff painted on the side. Got a coat of primer, then he looked inside. With him and my uncle tore that engine down. I still remember that rumbling sound. Now the sheriff came around in the middle of the night, heard mama crying that something wasn't right. Headed up to Knoxville with the weekend load, the smell of whiskey burning down Copperhead Road. Tapping your feet. Thank y'all too. All right. Managed to pull that off.